Overpaying on your taxes. Are you overpaying on your taxes? Are you missing key ways in which you can reduce the amount of taxes that you pay? And who doesn't like a great tax bill? That is what we're diving into in this video. A key way in which you are, paying more taxes than you need to. So that's our video today. I am Kersha Campbell. I help everyday business owners like yourself in the construction world, contractors, the trades. I help you to say goodbye to financial chaos, which can help you to pay lessen taxes, increase your cash flow, and just say goodbye to overwhelm and frustration that you're feeling about where your business is at, what's happening in your business, what's behind, what's chaos, what's confusing, and so much more. I also help you with increasing your cash flow, so helping you with cash management techniques and so much more. So that is who I am. I'm a mom and I'm just passionate about helping business owners to be successful, to be cash positive, because I do realize that, you know, a lot of times business owners, you're great in your expertise, your skills, but you struggle on the numbers side. And what's alarming is that majority of businesses fail because of not paying attention to their numbers, not being abreast of what's happening in their business so they can take action and make decisions that will turn around situations timely. So, what is it that you can do to help you reduce the amount of taxes that you're paying? It might seem very simple or like, really, that's it? However, a key thing you can do is to ensure that the transactions that take place in your businesses are categorized correctly. So that means that you're ensuring they are in the right category. So they are classified correctly. So what that means is that, for example, if you purchase an equipment for your business, you are recording it as an equipment. You're not recording it as an expense, right? Something that simple, it might seem like, really? Just classifications, yes. If you're in the wrong category, if you're classifying it in the wrong category, you do have the potential to pay more taxes, and nobody wants that, right? So it is very important because every category, every classification does have different, benefits. They have different credits, deductions, they have different tax rules that apply to different types of expense, different types of transactions that are taking place in your business. So if you are not classifying those transactions properly, then you are going to be paying more taxes because then your profit might be inflated. You might have situations where you're not taking the benefits or the credits or deductions that you could have to help you reducing your tax liability. That's how much you need to be paying, at the end of the year. So definitely that is something that you need to be on top of. And a lot of times you as a business owner, you don't have the time or you're unsure about what should you really do, how should this be classified, and that is okay. I'm always saying it's not enough, it's not okay to say I don't understand and you're throwing in the towel. No, you need to seek help to really get this done correctly in your business. So you need to reach out for help. You need to be able to talk to somebody. I'm not sure about this. And especially if you're doing your bookkeeping, recording your transactions yourself, you need to ensure you're getting those second set of eyes on what's happening before it's too late. And also, if you are outsourcing, remember that there are different types of persons in the accounting world. You have persons who will just record your transactions, and again, they might not be sure or clear about where this should go. So that is why you're always going to need that extra set of eyes on your business, in your business, to make sure that things are being recorded correctly. Because when you think about it, there's so much you can save from taxes. I know a lot of persons sometimes as you hear the word taxes, you're like, oh, I don't want to be paying anymore. It's just going to be a payment. You start getting overwhelmed and frustrated already. However, there are ways in which you can save on taxes, right? The thing is to be able to be knowledgeable and find these ways and have that expert on your team to guide you and help you with these strategies, because the tax you pay is not only linked to your business situation, it's going to be linked to your personal situation as well. How you're set up, your personal side of things. So that is why it's so important to have experts on your team who you can connect with, who can guide you in the right way in terms of how this should be done, how this not be done, and so much more. And there are a lot of things that do overwhelm, and that's okay. But I'm always like, get the help. It's just like there's some things in the technology world that I'm like, okay, I don't want to, this is too much. So I'm reaching out for help. I need to get help to have this done. I'm not sure. I know I'm not versed in this. Might have an idea. I'm not versed. I don't want to make a mistake, or, so I reach out for help, in cases like those for sure. So definitely be clear about how your transactions are being recorded. Are they being classified correctly? Equipment purchases, when you make certain withdrawals from your company, from your business, are they being classified correctly? It is important that your transactions, all the transactions, whether you purchase something, whether you're selling your service, all the transactions that take place in your business need to be classified correctly. And one of the key ways that help with this is setting up your chart of accounts. A lot of persons are operating without a chart of accounts of their business, and that again is it's just a no. You need to have your system set up properly in your business so you are able to review or have them reviewed. It might not be you personally, but you're having them reviewed, you're having corrections done before you take your situation at the end of the year to your tax preparer, because a lot of times your tax preparer, depending on your tax preparer, they're just going to take whatever you give them and they're going to be prepared. They're not going to do that, be that second set of eyes. Did this really take place? Ask you key questions. That's not happening. And so you're there paying more taxes than you really need to be paying. And who doesn't like to have savings, right? Who doesn't like to save and have less of a bill to pay? So that is our little chat for today. Make sure that the transactions that are taking place in your business are classified correctly. Make sure that they are, unless my camera is kind of, yeah. Make sure that your transactions that are taking place in your business are being recorded correctly. Make sure you have that second set of eyes on your business to help you know what's happening. Because as you need that support, you need that help to really ensure things are going accurately in your business and things are being recorded correctly. So that is it for today. My name is Karsha Campbell. I'm passionate about helping business owners like yourself, helping you improve your business operations. So helping you reduce your cash leaving your business more than coming in. Sometimes you have those money holes, those profit holes, helping you to plug those holes, put out those financial chaos, those fires that are happening in your business so that you can, be less frustrated and less overwhelmed about what's happening in your business. You have more time to relax with your family or do things that you want to do personally. There's so sometimes you want to be helping in the community more there. There's so many things on our list, and we are always struggling with time and money. Those are the key things most businesses are struggling with in these times. So signing off, this is Karsha Campbell, and we'll talk again soon. Bye guys.